Meaning of geek.
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 Geek. The term geek originally referred to a person who was highly skilled or knowledgeable in a particular subject or field, often related to technology or computers. However, over time the word geek has come to be associated with individuals who are passionate and enthusiastic about niche hobbies or interests that may be perceived as outside of mainstream culture. Geeks may display a deep commitment to their interests, which can lead them to seek out like-minded individuals in communities online or in person. Overall, being a geek is often seen as positive, and can be a source of pride for many people.